Does this count as annoying?
Very. Okay, here we are. Home sweet home.
So, this is like your house? Wait a sec. You're the guy who pretended he was a recorded message.
No, that was someone else.
Can I hold your hand?
No.
When we got adopted by a bald guy, I thought this would be more like Annie.
No, hey! Ah! Kyle, these are not treats. These are guests. Girls, this is Kyle, my dog.
Ooh, fluffy doggy.
What kind of dog is that?
He's, I don't know.
Do you really think this is an appropriate place for little kids? Because, it's not.
No! Stay away from there, it's fragile! Well, I suppose the plan will work with two.
Hey, it's dark in here. I poked a hole in my juice box.
As you can see, I have provided everything a child might need. All right. Okay. As I was saying, hey,
Somebody broke that.
Okay. Clearly, we need to set some rules. Rule number 1. You will not touch anything.
What about the floor?
Yes, you may touch the floor.
What about the air?
Yes, you may touch the air.
What about this?
Ah! Where did you get that?
Found it.
Okay, rule number 2, you will not bother me while I'm working. Rule number 3, you will not cry, or whine, or laugh, or giggle, or sneeze, or burp, or fart. So, no annoying sounds, right?
Does this count as annoying?
Very. I will see you in 6 hours.
Okay. Don't worry. Everything's going to be fine. We're gonna be really happy here. Right? Agnes?